Hi everyone, it's Melissa with Sundream Succulents, and today I'm going to give you a tour of my garden and show you some of the things that I will be working on in the next coming weeks. Things have overgrown and I need to take care of that. And then the placement of plants was big. So we planted these lavender in this area and they grew significantly and completely blocked out the walkway. So that was something that I didn't think about. So I want to remove them and plant them somewhere else. These planters here are pretty sad looking. I think these are annual flowers, so they only lasted a while and now they're just not very attractive. So I want to remove these planters and put something else here. And then another big issue, these weeds are vicious. Now we put down a weed blocker, a weed barrier, but we used a light duty one, and that was one of the big mistakes that we made. We should have invested in a heavy duty one, and even then the weeds will still probably penetrate through, but you know, it was a learning experience and I have to get better at yanking weeds. So I've done a lot with this area here. It looked very different a couple months ago. I had a fountain here that was not doing so great. Some of the plants were burning, so I decided to move it. And now I have this big hole here and I need to fill it with things. So I'm going to completely redo this area. I'm going to take this little rainbow cactus out of here because it looks kind of ridiculous. I think it's a little too small for this pot. So I'm going to put something else in here. This jade here, it's really pretty, but it hasn't grown. So I want to plant it in a pot and then add some fertilizer and hopefully it does better there, but it's not happy here, so I want to remove it. I love my little aloe. These are going to stay. They're doing really well. They're very happy here. I'm not sure about this aeonium yet. My little panda paw is doing really well. This guy back here is fried, so he has to go. And then my crested, which I recently discovered, my Senecio is crested, so that's awesome. That's going to stay. It's happy there. All my aloes are going to stay. But I will be adding plants. I will be adding more aloe vera to this section. And oh, my aloe vera cactus. I will be removing it from the plastic and finally displaying it. I will be working on this section for the next couple of weeks and I will keep you all posted. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the progress videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Thanks for supporting.